Hi everyone. So in the last class we talked about rates and how they are different from ratios. Today we'll be doing some practice questions. How to represent the information that is given to us as rates, and also rates are always represented in as a unit rate. Okay, so one of the units we have to make it one. Okay, so let's look at the first question. So someone's traveling 82.4 kilometers in 6 hours. Okay. So we know that in 6 hours, someone is doing 82.4 kilometer. Okay. So in 1 hour, what we have to do? Divide 82.4 by 6. So what does that give us? 6 ones are 6. Then we have 22, 6 threes are 18. Okay, and then 44, 6 7 the 42, and then we get 3. So now how do we represent this? Okay, so we will say 13.73 kilometer that person will be able to cover in 1 hour. Okay, so this is the rate. This one here is the rate. Always we have to have two units, and one of them should be a unit rate. So it means 1 hour. Per hour we are telling how many kilometers. Okay, let's look at the next question. So 8 chicken balls. Okay, 8 chicken balls. Okay, cost how much? $4.72. Okay, so one chicken ball will cost how much? 4.72 divided by 8, and that will give us how much? 0.59. Okay, so we have this as the cost, so we say $0.5, $0.59 per chicken ball. Okay, now let's come to the next one. So we are reading 36 pages in 4 days. Okay, so usually if you will notice a pattern, okay, so usually the unit we form is hour. So how much can be accomplished in an hour? How much can be accomplished in a day? Okay, we can do the other way around as well. Like we could have said, oh, 82.4 kilometer is covered in 6 hours. How much like how in how much time 1 kilometer can be covered? Okay, but usually when we are talking, we usually you will get to see examples in the real life. So it's like if we are building a house, or if we are completing a task, or suppose we are going out to buy food, we will always look for what is the cost of one sandwich, what is the cost of one ball. So looking at that, we try to make it in the format which is most commonly used, but it is not wrong if you try to do it in the other way around as well, because it's not specified how do you want to convert it into a rate. So see, reading 36 pages in 4 days. So days, we usually try to do that as the unit. So in 4 days we complete 36 pages, and in 1 day we'll complete 36 divided by 4, that is 9 pages per day. Okay, now let's come to the last example. So again we have 3 hours. Okay, so let's make that as the unit. So in 3 hours we are assembling 15 bicycles. So in 1 hour we'll assemble 15 divided by 3, that is 5. Okay, so 5 bicycles per hour. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Whenever you're trying to write the rate, if it's not specifically mentioned which one needs to become a unit, like the unit part of both the values that are given to us. We usually try to do it looking at real life things, like we do it with the hours, with the days, and if it's something to eat, like how much is the cost of one, so that we can decide. So yeah, both are correct. Okay, so I hope this is clear, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.